Hello, this is Nona Maria, and today I'm bringing another Sicilian classic. Very easy, very fast, and very delicious. It's called spaghetti. I didn't have spaghetti, so I'm making some good quality Bucatini alla Carrettiera. Carrettiera, it means long time ago, those people that they worked the fields, they had a carretto with a donkey. Not a car, it's carretto. It's the one that maybe you see it now, on the, let me talk to you like this. That you see it now with the old colorful, and they go for the folkloristic Sicilian thing. Anyway, the men, they can make it also, and then go back to the field. In the carretto, they used to sell their vegetables, their fruit, whatever they get from the field, and then eat lunch, and then go back in the field to work. So today is spaghetti alla carrettiera. Very delicious. The water is already salted. And now I'm gonna put this on. Put my thing on. Anyway, it's done with parsley, stalk of parsley and garlic, breadcrumbs, sun-dried tomatoes. These are from Favignana that I got last year. See, I still have them. Beautiful. Pecorino Romano. Not Parmigiano, it's with Pecorino Romano. And of course, that I didn't do before, capers. The pasta, it's only 76 grams. Okay. Oops, I always forget this little thing. Oil. Okay, now that the oil is hot, we put the sun-dried tomatoes first. Very little, because again, let it cook for a little while, because only one. So for if you have more family, of course, if you cook for more people, double or triple the dosage. Okay, this is sticking out. I know it's gonna be al dente. And this good quality pasta doesn't cook right away. It's very al dente. Okay. After it cooked a little bit more, let's add the breadcrumbs. Let it toast it with the sun-dried tomatoes. Such an easy recipe, so the men, if they were in the field by themselves, they can also cook it and make it and have lunch. They didn't need their wife to do it. Most of the men in Italy, in Sicily, they know how to cook. That doesn't mean because they married that the wife is going to be the slave and always the one cooking. They could do the same thing too. But especially those days, they didn't want to have the time to go back home and cook and let the wife cook. They have to be in the field and work until sundown. Okay, now that is done, we put it on the side. Now again, a little bit of olive oil, some parsley stalk. Why am I keep closing this thing? And of course, some garlic. And where is it? Okay, really supposed to be the real pepperoncino, but that's the only one I have. I keep forgetting to buy it when I'm at the store. The water. Okay. No, still standing. Not ready yet. Okay, the pasta is good, but we're gonna finish cooking a little bit more over here. Only 76 grams, people. We put it on the oil with all the yummy stuff. We add some pasta water, of course. Shut off this one. Yummy. See how easy it was? Few ingredients, Sicilian cooking or Italian cooking, it's few fresh ingredients that makes a gourmet meal. For some people, cooking is so hard, it takes so long. Not at all. This is 1, 2, 3. Now we plate it, and we're gonna finish on the other side. Adesso che facciamo? Andiamo di là e dopo che è finito mangiamo. And here it is. Okay. Let's put some pecorino romano. This is the cheese that goes in there. And the best part is the sun-dried tomato and all this crunchy stuff. The breadcrumbs. And now we're ready to eat. A favorire, buon appetito, alla prossima ricetta da Nonna Maria at Nonna Maria 1433. Ciao! Alla prossima! Bacione!